What up mga solid subscribers, no? So ito, nagbabalik tayo na for almost 2 weeks po guys, no? Hindi ko na kung gaano katagal, basta 2 weeks yun pataas po guys, no? And then sinabi ko nga sa inyo, no, sinabi ko sa inyo guys bago ko mag-edit ng video that time, no? Yung mga last 5 videos ko, making busy tayo for the month of April hanggang May, no? And maraming lakad sa company guys namin, no? And then South Korea nga kami. And then sobrang daming ganap po talaga guys, no? So hindi ako naging yung commitment ko talaga that time is talagang nasa company po talaga, no? And then ayun, almost every week guys, labas ng labas, umaalis ibang lugar, all over Philippines. And then at the same time, no, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo ng South Korea nga, no? And then yun, ngayon may time tayo kahit papano, no? Nabigyan tayo ng time, no? And yun, tara, hintayin tayo ng mga updates sa ating mahaliman, no? So eto, no? So very big shout kay Miss O po, no? Okay, panoorin po natin tong video po ni Miss O na to na unang-una, no? Okay, tara. Tingnan po natin ito maigi.
Lollapalooza stage is revealed on top 3 largest stage in the festival, Alliance Stage. Yes, the Lollapalooza stages for each artist have been revealed, and SB19 will be performing at the Alliance Stage, formerly the Lakeshore Stage.
So ito mga kasabay ng SB19, Alliance Stage sila, no? So malaking event ang Lollapalooza, no? Pearly Drops, Bad Nerves, SB19, Audrey Hobart, Wet Leg, Worship, Kitama, and then okay na 5 Seconds to Summer guys, Lord, okay, Shock, okay, Seven, daming artists guys, oh. Solido.
On July 30, 2026 at 3:30 will be performing at the Alliance Stage, formerly SB19.
Dami, solid na ano ng lineup nila. Summer Bros, okay, oh. Dami.
Will be performing at the Alliance Stage, formerly the Lakeshore Stage, on July 30,
So 3:30 to 4:30 ang kanilang performance. So 1 hour po siya, no?
2026 at 3:30 to 4:30 p.m., which means a full hour set of performance.
Nakapagod yan na sila. Para din silang nag-concert, no, yung dating nila guys, no, yung ganyan 1 hour yung performance nila, no. So I'm pretty sure guys, darating dito yung point na talagang dating tayo sa point na talagang yung no, yung mga kantang ibibigay nila, yung mga set ng kanta nila, no, is talagang hindi pwedeng flat, no. Alam niyo mga SB19 na talagang pag nagpe-perform sila, pag halimbawa gumagawa sila ng mga set ng mga kanta nila, no, is talagang hindi siya all throughout pare-pareho ng level po, no. Kailangan may gantong vibe, may gantong kunyari yung dam, at the same time kakanta sila something fresh na kanta, and then mga something ng mga choreography, may mga dance break sila, no. And then yung kung paano nila mag-adjust sa kung ano yung setup na stage, no, di ba? So yun, ganun sila, kung ano yung stage, hindi pwedeng yun at yun ang gagawin nila. Gusto nila kung anong setup na stage, may gagawin sila, kakaiba po talaga, no?
And SB19 on Alliance Stage is such a big news. Did you know that the Alliance Stage is a major high-profile stage at Lollapalooza and is considered the top 3 largest, with the T-Mobile being the main stage? Next is Bud Light, and then the Alliance.
So malaking ano siya, no? Malaking stage pala ang Alliance Stage, no? Hindi siya basta-basta, no? Okay, so maganda to. Maraming makakapanood, maraming makakita po sa SB19, okay? So I'm pretty sure guys, like ko sinasabi, no? Gusto ko yung mga ganito, nagpe-perform sila sa mga yung maraming artist na nagkasama, ng mga guest, no? Syempre, kunyari, yung artist yun, 5 Seconds to Summer, nandun, di ba? And then, kunyari lang guys, kunyari lang, no? Pero hindi sila sabay guys, eh. Magkaiba sila ng venue, no? And 5 Seconds to Summer, no? And then yung papanoorin nila is 5 Seconds to Summer, pero mauna muna SB19, no? So pag napanood nila yung SB19, no, I mean mapwersa silang panoorin ng SB19 kasi syempre hindi sila pwede umalis sa pwesto nila, no? Kasi aabangan nila yung 5 Seconds to Summer, and then ma-force yung mga audience na yun or fan ng 5 Seconds to Summer na panood ng SB19, no?
Stage. It is also considered a solid mid-tier stage and is frequently used for high energy and high attendance acts. It
I don't know kung ito yun, ewan kung ito yun, pero kung ito yung solid naman, di ba?
serves as one of the largest viewing stages in the venue, ranking behind T-Mobile and Bud Light. Plus, here's a significant additional information. Alliance stage is located next to the main stage, the T-Mobile, which is 1 to 2 minutes walk only, which means the crowd from the T-Mobile stage could easily walk to the Alliance stage or
Nakita niyo yung venue, napakalaki, open na open yan guys. Oh. Grabe yung venue yan. Solid. Ito yung Alliance Station. So, ang laki. Ito yung open na open siya, no? So, lahat makakakita, makakapanood talaga, no? Hindi siya limited lang na audience, no? As in lahat, kahit mga bandang nandito, no? Kung makikita niyo yung mouse ko, no? Banda rito, matatanda na lang SB19, no? And then, yung dito naman, I'm pretty sure, guys, meron niyang LED screen dyan na nagpo-project kung ano po yung nasa stage, no? So, SB19 nandyan, no? So, ipapakita nila yun, no? So, kahit sobrang layo nyo, makikita nyo kung sino nagpe-perform kahit di na kayo manood, no? Di ba?
they could just easily listen to SB19 set.
Tama, no? So, ganun, no? So, nakita na, guys, putol-putol siya, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi, ito, balikan natin, yan. Yan, no? Meron siya mga part na putol-putol, no? So, dito, banda rito, no? Like, ganyan. Para siguro, hindi ko alam kung paano yung mga location ng mga nila, ng mga venue nila, no? So, I think para maiwasan din yung mix, yung sabay-sabay na music, guys, no? And, ayun, may kita nyo. May mga meron siya mga blank dito. Na ibig sabihin, yung mga part na yan is may mga magpe-perform or para marinig lang mismo, no? Yung SB19, no? So, yan. Hindi ko alam kung paano setup nun, guys, no? Pero I think hindi naman nahayaan nila magsabay-sabay mag-perform lahat, guys, no?
Is 1 to 2 minutes walk only, which means the crowd from the T-Mobile stage could easily walk to the
So, ito yung T-Mobile stage, no? And then, pupunta sila ron, no? So, yun, di ba? So, kung ito yung T-Mobile stage, balikan natin tong schedule. Okay, so yung T-Mobile. Ayan, ayan, 4:30. Ayan, may kita nyo rito, guys, no? Di ba? Hindi siya sabay, no? May kita nyo rito. 3:30, tapos itong ni Hot and, sorry for the pronunciation, di ko alam kung tama. Hot and Freddy, no? So, pagkatapos 3:30, SB19 na, 3:30 to 4:30. After nyan, 5 seconds of summer, guys, no? Yan, 4:30 to 5:30, no? So, hindi siya sabay talaga kasi, no? So, may chance na panood ng mga nasa T-Mobile, ang SB19 sa Alliance stage, no? Di ba?
to the main stage, the T-Mobile, which is 1 to 2 minutes walk only, which means the crowd from the T-Mobile stage could easily walk to the Alliance stage, or they could just easily listen to SB19 set. Therefore, SB19 may not be part of the headliners, but they have that good venue with a wider reach being next to the main stage. Imagine that! SB19's first ever major music festival, and they will set to debut on the top 3 largest stage. A surprising, shocking, and definitely a well-deserved stage for the P-Pop Kings.
Okay. So, yun na siya, guys, na marami tayong aabangan sa SB19 sa Lollapalooza. No? So, hindi alam kung anong ihahain nila, set of songs, pero I'm pretty sure, guys, naman hindi naman nila tayo binigo sa kung ano ipapakita nila sa mga international stages. Kahit hindi mo sa international stage, no? Kahit sa mga local stages po natin, no? Ganyan na SB19. So, yun lang, guys, no? Kung meron pa kayong gustong mga panood ko, like mga na-miss ko during the days in the span of 2 weeks, guys, no? Comment lang kayo down below, no? So, siyempre, huwag nyo kalimutan na mag-leave a like, subscribe, and kahit rin na notification bell, guys, no? So, yun na. Maraming salamat. So, DC Point signing out. Peace. Let's G.